You've heard this a lot of time.
Watching in the morning, slipping.
But have you heard it like this?
Watching in the morning, slipping through the blinds.
Well, this is AI Remix and it took me 2 minutes to make. With this AI tool called Suno, you can take any hit song and turn it into completely new version in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire remix process from getting the song to exporting your final remix. So let's get started. Go to suno.com and here you can sign up by clicking on this button here and choosing from any of these options right here and create an account. Once you're in, you have like 100 of free credits, which will be more than enough to create multiple songs and test out different styles in Suno AI. Now let's go to creation. So click on this create from the sidebar and here you have two options. That is the simple song creation where all you have to do is describe the song, add in the lyrics and the audio that you want to use and then the style of the song. And for the custom song creation, you can add multiple items like audio, the persona of the song, the inspiration for the song, then the lyrics, styles, and also there are advanced options to select the vocals of the song as well as the style influence, etc. So first off, I'm going to upload an audio for my music. Simply click on this and click on the upload button and choose any of the song audio that you want to create the cover for. For now, I'm going to be using a song that I already created in Suno AI. So this is the song and I'm going to click on the three dots and in the remix and add option, I'm going to click on this cover. So now my song is added into the cover section here and the lyrics have automatically been generated according to the audio. Now this is the most important part, which is deciding what style do you want to create this cover in. So here either you can add in the styles that are in your mind or you can select from a few options down here and these will change as you keep on adding different styles. So let me add some. So these are the few keywords that I've added. Now to enhance this, I'm going to be using this button right here, which creates a more detailed style using the keywords that you just used. So it is given us the detailed prompt of the styles that were added. Now you even have some advanced options where you can select the vocal gender, the lyrics mode, but right now I'm going to set the lyrics mode to manual itself because in auto mode, Suno AI will generate lyrics for your songs. And then these three options are to adjust the style influence, the audio influence, as well as the weirdness of the song, which are only available in the pro plan. So if you want to control these, you can go ahead and subscribe to the pro plan. Now I'm going to create this song by clicking on this create button and not even 30 seconds later, I already have two of my songs. Yes, it generates two output for each operation that you perform in Suno AI. So before we hear the result, let me first play the original sound first.
Watching in the morning, slipping through the blinds.
And now the result.
Watching in the morning, slipping through the blinds.
And can you believe that was the same exact song? I mean, the whole mood as well as the vocals were changed. So that was a drastic difference. Now, if you don't like this version of your song, you already have another one. And if you don't like neither of them, you are free to go ahead and create new version by adjusting the style according to your need. And also, if you like this version too much, you can go ahead and if you click on this button right here and select the edit option, you'll see an extend button. So if you click on that, it will add your audio to the custom creation section right here, and here you can select what part of audio you want to keep. So in our case, we'll be keeping the whole audio, and what we want to do is extend it. So either you can add in new lyrics to this or a different style to create an extended version of this song. So here I've added the new lyrics and I'm keeping the song style to be the same, and all I'm going to do is create this and the results are ready. Let me show you a little clip.
There is a quiet light in me, does not shout but stays with me. When the dark feels wide and long, and like a rope in it.
So these were the new lyric, and this is the extension to our already cover song right here. So you'll have two extensions. So if you want, you can go ahead and select the one that you like and prefer the most and click on this get full song, which will attach this extension to your clip that you gave over here. So it would sound something like,
Listening to stories the radio told. There is a quiet light in me.
so previously it was only till listening to the stories the radio told, and then we have added the extension so you got the full song. Now if you want to download any of these songs, click on this three dot button and you have the download option, which you can do either in mp3 format or wave audio, so you can choose one and download your song. So that's basically how you can remix any song using Suno AI without any music degree, expensive software, just AI and your creativity. So go make something right, drop a comment with your lyric and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.